right, check out this little charging station. You plug into the wall and yeah, you get access to these ports right here. This thing is 100 watts. So if you're looking to charge your laptop, you can charge quick charge devices like your phones and really anything. It does come with a 100 watt cable here, like a USB-C to USB-C, and you can use that to charge your laptop. If you wanted to plug in multiple devices, like the C1 can get 65 watts and then C2 would be 30 watts. If you want to plug in everything there, you will have 45 watts, then 20 watts, then 10 watts, then 10 watts, adding up to 95 watts. You can mix and match how you plug things in, but for a lot of laptops out there, 65 watts will actually keep it charged or keep it from, dissipating in the battery life. Other than that, it works. It's just a great way to save space as you're traveling and have that plug for you so that you can plug in multiple devices, especially good for if you have like drones and batteries and action cameras and a bunch of video gear. This is a great way to keep all of that charged up nice and quick, but also just slim and fits in your bag and doesn't take up any space. So really cool product from BRDRC. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.